Welcome to our step-by-step guide on using the Fidelity mobile app. In this video, we'll explore its key features and show you how to navigate through the app effortlessly. First, let's download and install the Fidelity mobile app. Open your device's app store, search for Fidelity, and click Download. It's quick and easy. Once installed, open the app and follow the prompts to create your account. You'll need to enter some basic information, including your social security number. Now that you have your account, let's navigate the main dashboard. Here you'll find your portfolio, current market trends, and important news updates. Fidelity offers various account types such as brokerage accounts, IRAs, and more. Understanding these will help you choose the right one for your investment goals. To start investing, you need to fund your account. Tap on Deposit, choose your funding source, and follow the prompts to complete your first deposit. Searching for investments is straightforward. Use the search function to find stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds you're interested in and explore their details. Ready to make your first trade? Choose the stock you want to buy, enter the number of shares, and tap Buy. Don't forget to monitor your portfolio regularly. The Fidelity mobile app provides numerous research tools to help you navigate your investments, including detailed analysis and market trends. Stay informed by setting up alerts for price changes or news relating to your investments. You'll receive notifications straight to your mobile.